Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. Yes, I know I haven't been posting since on my channel due to some specific reasons, but anyways, here I have this beautiful hairstyle that you can try out for your toddler. Anyways, I think I made this hairstyle for my toddler. That was during her graduation ceremony in school. So yeah, I just wanted to do something different compared to what I've been doing previously. And yes, I'm just gonna let you guys watch this video so that you can basically understand how this was done. And also, while you're making your toddler hair, always make sure to add conditioners, leave-in conditioner. Any product is fine, just make sure to add leave-in conditioner so that when you are making your toddler hair, the hair is soft and easy for you to comb through, and to reduce the amount of pains while you're making your toddler hair. So anyways, for this tutorial I use Brazilian wool for the starting point of the braid, and for the curly parts I made use of sweetened wool, which is known as wool hair attachment, and then again most people call it Brazilian wool. Yes, so if you want to get it in the market, it's called wool hair attachments. So the reason why we call it Brazilian wool on YouTube is just so that a lot of people can get to see the videos. But anyways, it's still Brazilian wool that we're making use of anyways. So from the start of the braid, I used Brazilian wool, and then this one you're seeing right here is actually sweetened hair wool, which is known as wool hair attachments. It's written on the pack boldly for you to see that it's a wool hair. So anyways, I'm making use of the Brazilian wool. The reason why I'm using Brazilian wool first for the top and I'm not using it for all of the hair is because Brazilian wool, at some point when you use it to make a coily hair, at some point you notice that the coils would not really last longer. But when you can use a braiding extension for the coiling part, but I just choose to use this product because the coil is tend to last longer anyway. So while I was starting off, I started off with Brazilian wool, and then when I'm almost at the tip of the Brazilian wool, then I started adding little strands of the wool hair attachments, just to have that coily ends. You'll see what I mean towards the end of the video, so just keep on watching and let me know what you think about this video. If you find value of this video, do make sure to give it a huge thumbs up while you are watching it. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch this video and pretty much understand how this was done from start to finish, and let me know your thoughts about it while you're watching.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
So at this point, I am basically just using thread just to coil the tips of this hair. So you want to just follow the process just as seen on the video. So when you're done coiling the tips of the hair, I didn't add any special, stuff to the hot water. I just dipped it into the hot water, and then after dipping it in hot water, I left it because at that point in time it was already like towards evening, so there was no point shooting the video anymore, because of the lightning and all of that. So this was late evening, and I left it till the next day, and this is the next morning, and we're just taking out the thread of the tips of the hair. So when you're done taking out the thread, the only thing I added to this hair was still the same leave-in conditioner, just so that the coils can be soft. Because there's one thing I noticed about any kind of coils that you coil up with hot water, if you don't continue moisturizing it with conditioner, it will tend to tangle, and that's for sure. So you want to make sure to always apply leave-in conditioner to the coils. If it's possible, 3 times in space of 3 days, you apply it once in a space of 3 days, or if you can be doing that every day, that's totally fine. But just make sure that the hair is always moisturized, and that's the coils is always moisturized and preventing it from tangling. So this is how the coils is looking like. Very, very beautiful. The beautiful thing about this hair is that you can actually style it to any style of your choice. So let me know what you guys think about this video. Are you gonna be trying out for your toddler? Or let me just know what you think. Rate it from 1 to 100. What do you think about this hair? So this was how I styled this hair for my toddler, looking all beautiful. Let me know what you guys think. And if you've watched this video to this extent, thank you so much, guys. I love you, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.